I just built a Clawdbot integration that connects with Telegram and Notion so that I can talk to Telegram and it'll automatically add stuff to my Notion. This is incredible technology, and let me show you how this works. So here's Telegram, and this is where I created my GAIA bot, and GAIA stands for General Artificial Intelligence Agent. And this is my Claudebot that I created in Google Cloud. I spun up a virtual machine in Google Cloud, and I installed Claudebot there. So let me show you how this works. I have a quick notes in my Notion, and this is where I store all my random thoughts I have. If I have a writing idea, a project idea, just something I want to write down for later, I add it to this, and I review this later on. It looks pretty sloppy, and it is. That's the whole point. The point is to get the idea down quickly so that I don't lose that idea for later. The only problem with this is that sometimes Notion is slow to open, and sometimes when I open it, it's on a different page, and it takes a lot of overhead to get to this quick notes page, scroll down to the bottom, and type an idea here. And so now all I have to do is go to Telegram, and I can tell GAIA to add something to my quick notes, and it'll automatically add it to my Notion. So here I can say, hey, can you create a quick note to create a polymarket 15-minute Bitcoin prediction bot? And that's all I have to say. I can type my note here, and I can do this on my phone as well, and it'll pop up in my Notion shortly. And there it is. It's so quick, it's so easy, and I don't have to touch Notion anymore. It'll automatically do that. And the cool part is I can also use the voice note here. I can say, hey, let's create a quick note to create a Discord bot that tracks the price of Bitcoin every 10 minutes. And Claudebot is really good at understanding your voice texts as well. And so all you have to do is speak into it, whether it's on computer or on your phone. And so what I actually do is on my phone, I have my Telegram app, and I can speak into that. I can type into that. It's the same exact bot you see here, and it'll create this in Notion for me. And then later on, it'll say, hey, I remember you talked about that Discord bot you wanted to create. Do you want me to create the code for that? The way I have it set up, it'll actually create pull requests for me, let me review them, and once I say it's good, it'll merge it and deploy it all for me. It is literally coding for me. It is writing for me. It is researching for me. This is incredible. So let me show you how to install this real quick. So here's the Claudebot website. All you have to do is go to claude.bot, and it's extremely simple to get set up. All you have to do is run this one curl command on whatever machine you want to install it on. You can install it on your computer. You can install it on a virtual machine. You can buy a Mac Mini, which I have one on the way that I'm going to install it on, and follow the setup instructions, which are extremely quick. That's all you have to do. Claudebot will work. The only other thing you have to do is go to notion.so/profile/integration. And this is if you want to set up the Notion integration. All you have to do is click new integration, generate an API key, walk through the steps here, give that API key to Claudebot, and it'll automatically store it in its configuration files securely. And that way it'll have connection to your Notion. It can look at the pages that you give it access to, and it can read and write from those. So there you have it. If you want to integrate Claudebot with Notion, this is the way to do it. And this technology is incredible. If you have any other ideas you want me to create or you want to share with me, please let me know, and I will get on building those. Happy coding.